Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA XR20, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So as we get started, you will want to open up settings, and here scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, and then Reset Options, where you'll find Delete All Data Factory Reset. Now when you tap on it, it gives you an information that this process will remove things like your Google account, system and apps data, so a couple things that don't matter, but then we have the things that actually do matter, so music, photos, and user data. So if there is anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently and there is no way of getting it back. Now assuming you have already backed it up, or you simply don't want to, click on Erase All Data, and again Erase All Data, and this will begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.